in Hawaii,
Big Island.
Yep, on the Big Island in Volcanoes National Park, and we took the Kilea Iki Trail, which is an amazing trail, into a bottom of a volcanic crater. This crater exploded with lava in 1959, and now this is left. We've walked through a rainforest up above to come down. It's going to be about a 5-mile trip, and it's really windy at the bottom.